Good morning, student. I am Devin Chaturvedi, your math teacher, and today I am starting the chapter Congruency of Triangle. In this chapter, the topics will be covered: congruent figure, congruency of triangle, rules of congruency, and criteria of congruency of similar figure. Before starting, I will tell you this chapter is totally based on congruent or similar figure. One figure is overlapping the other one by sides or angles. So first I will explain congruent figure and congruency of plane figure. Congruent figures are such figure when one figure is overlapping by the other. If the all coin of rupee 1 are congruent figure, all squares of side 2 centimeter are congruent figure, means regular figure. All regular figures of the same length and size are called congruent figure. So I hope you will understand the congruent figure. When one figure put over the other, then other one is overlapping by the one completely. Such figures are of same size and shape. Congruency of plane figures. First, two line segments are said to be congruent if they have the same length. Congruency of line segment. Two line segment means one line segment AB of length 5 centimeter and another line segment CD is also 5 centimeter. Then AB line segment is completely overlapping by the CD because of the same length 5 centimeter each. So this figure, that's why the line segments are congruent figure if they measure the same length. So student, two angles are said to be congruent if they have the same measure, means congruency of angles. If angle AOB is 45 degree and another angle COD is also 45 degree, then we said these two angles are congruent figure. Now squares. Two squares are said to be congruent if the length of their sides are the same, means square ABCD of length 3 centimeter be the congruent of square LMNO of length 3 centimeter. So these two-dimensional figures are congruent if their sides are measured same 3 centimeter each. Now two regular figures like pentagon. A regular pentagon of side 2 centimeter each, all 5 sides measure same 2 centimeter, will congruent of another pentagon of the same side. That's why this is called regular pentagon having the same side of length 2 centimeter. This is a figure of pentagon of side 5 centimeter. 5 sides. Now students, equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangles ABC will be congruent to another triangle, equilateral triangle EFG, because all the angles measure same 60 degree each, but the main criteria of length 3 centimeter. That's why two equilateral triangles are called congruent figure if their sides are 3 centimeter each. Rectangles. Two rectangles are said to be congruent if their length and breadth are the same. Means a rectangle ABCD will congruent to another rectangle EFGH because the length of both rectangles be 4 centimeter and breadth 2 centimeter. That's why this rectangle is completely overlap the previous one. Now student, next part is circles. Two circles are congruent if they have the same radius. Two circles are congruent if they have the same radius. One circle is congruent to another if they measure the same radius. That's why this circle is overlap the previous one because of the same radius. So student, the conclusion of congruent figure, all congruent figure are equal in area but all figures are not congruent. All congruent figures are equal in area but all equal figures are not congruent. A triangle may be equal in area to a circle or a square. However, these shapes are different. A triangle, a circle and a square cannot be congruent. Means these figures are equal in area wise but not congruent because of the different shapes. So student, I hope you will understand congruent figure. If you will face to identify the figures which are congruent or not, then we will discuss in our live classes. Thank you.